Blankenship. It's by the group Trainwreck, which is Kyle Gass's band. If you'll remember, he was in Tenacious D. Um, it's kind of mostly this riff. So that's a D chord. And then we're placing our pinky on the high E string at fret 3. Then we go to a G, and we don't need to play the full G, we just need to play it on the low strings. We kind of scrape it. So you're going G, 1, 2, 3, and then you go to a C just with on strings 5 and 4, and go and do the same thing. G, C, D, G, C. It's kind of like in the style of AC/DC or maybe some kind of classic rock style. And then at the end, there's a refrain. A, C. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing that song. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.